Many ordinary people are being left behind, while the expected number of wealthy people rises constantly. If you fall into this category, you may not be doing something correctly. I'll change that today. By the end of this video, you will know all of the best techniques which you can use to build wealth. So, stay with me. Number 1, educate yourself. If you ever want to improve your financial situation, we must start with our attitude. Learn the fundamentals of funding so you can begin changing your mentality. It's absurd that some people have jobs yet still need to understand fundamental ideas, like how to file taxes. This is the wrong strategy, even though some people ignore it or believe they can hire someone to do it for them. It's a good idea to educate yourself, or, at the very least, learn how to file your taxes. Learn the definitions of actual words like income, expenses, net worth, return on investment, passive income, financial independence. Number 2, get a regular income source. If you don't come from a wealthy family and want to be rich one day, you better have a plan. The fact is that you can't simply decide to start accumulating riches when you get up. You need a plan first, which should include your source of income, whether it's your regular job or something else. Then, when you have amassed sufficient savings, you should begin looking at ways to turn your savings into something meaningful. This could entail buying stocks, opening a business, or obtaining training and certification in a highly paid skill. No matter which option you choose, make sure that you're mentally ready for it to fail, and for you to have to start over. However, before I move on to the next topic, please give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're a new visitor. Number 3, make a budget and stick to it. Some individuals believe that having a budget is disliked for some reason. Setting a spending limit and using a budget may be too demanding for you. They overlook the fact that budgeting offers many advantages. You'll first learn self-control and refrain from overspending on items that aren't essential. You can use this to increase your savings and ultimately, your riches. I apply the 50-30-20 rule, which is straightforward but highly effective. I spend 50% of my income on necessities like rent, food, and medical care. 20% goes to savings, and 30% goes to needs like entertainment or shopping. Your money will slowly increase each month if you organize your income in this manner. In truth, it will be pretty straightforward. Budgeting is mostly used to minimize spending and increase savings. It's like trading one thing for another, except that saving is much better than spending. You can get my guide, which covers all of this and more, for free by clicking on the link in the description if you're interested in learning more. Number 4, build an emergency fund. Life may be incredibly erratic. What would happen if you had no insurance and your car broke down in the middle of nowhere? The emergency fund would have to come to the rescue in this situation. You should save money in case of an emergency which requires immediate funding. Despite the fact that some intelligent investors have already taken that action and established an emergency fund, they occasionally need to remember that a solid emergency fund should be able to cover 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses. During the recent pandemic, when many people lost their jobs and had no other source of income, the need for such a fund became abundantly evident. Once you've begun to save your emergency money, you can place it in your savings account, where it will be simpler to get in case of a necessity. Number 5, invest money. It is safe for you to begin investing now that you have an emergency fund, so that your money can grow. You have several possibilities of where to invest your money, but you must first do your research since you want to avoid putting money in something that you won't be able to manage. You can start investing in stocks by purchasing equities on the stock exchange. If you didn't already know, owning stock is practically the same as owning a portion of the business, and you will benefit from even the smallest increase in share price and dividend payments. Despite being occasionally riskier than bonds, they have different risks depending on the firm. Bonds are an alternative if stocks make you uncomfortable. Simply put, this implies that you purchase a pool of securities. Typically, it consists of stocks, bonds, or a combination of the two. Mutual funds include some risk, but they can offer excellent long-term returns. As a novice investor, you must understand that all three strategies are effective, but can still be dangerous. The proper amount of investment time is required. Number 6, Automate your financial life. Most of us are aware of the stress that managing money can cause. There is occasionally too much to handle, from the bills and the debts to savings and investments. We sometimes forget to pay things because we're too busy. You're lucky because there are a few automated ways to accomplish this. Many financial experts will tell you to set an amount from your monthly paycheck to pay for your bills, saving, and investments. If you enable this function, no payday will pass without your equal distribution. As you continue to do this, you will grow accustomed to it, and ultimately, you won't even realize how much money you've been saving from your salary. Don't you think it's pretty brilliant? It is the epitome of working smarter, not harder. Number 7, increase your retirement savings. Saving money consistently is a fantastic method to build wealth. Most people who save money for retirement can see this coming in a flash. The 401k plan or the IRA are two highly popular methods to do this. The 401k account is one that the employer provides to help the employees save money from their salary for retirement. Most of the time, the funds are wisely invested in bonds, mutual funds, equities, guaranteed investment contracts, target date funds, or equity in your firm. With this strategy in place, you can set aside a portion of your pay as an investment that will then be added to your retirement account. The nicest part of a 401k plan is that you may decide whether you want to be taxed from the start or after you withdraw when you retire. The other is a Roth IRA, a retirement plan that offers tax advantages and lets you make contributions while paying less in taxes. It would help if you chose a Roth IRA, since you don't have to pay taxes on money when you withdraw it in retirement. The sole prerequisite is that you must be 59 or older. Also, remember that you may have to pay a fee if you start saving for retirement before you turn 65. Number 8, stay diversified. As the saying goes, never put all your eggs in one basket. You see, this simple proverb has a much deeper meaning. As I said, it means from a business standpoint that you shouldn't put all of your money in one location. Some people might advise you to put all of your money in one investment, but these individuals haven't given your financial stability much attention. It is not surprising that some companies fail or the market declines significantly, but if this occurs and you have invested all of your money in a failing endeavor, it will be shocking. The best way to stay secure is to diversify your investments so that you'll still have money to cover expenses in the event of a loss. Number 9. Explore passive income ideas. You need to consider how you'll increase your money further if you're serious about doing so. It's acceptable if you have a high-paying job, but if you're being honest with yourself, consider whether that is all you need. Do this because I already know the answer to it. Find a profession that will only require your complete concentration and will still allow you to earn money while you sleep. There are currently several possibilities like drop shipping, marketing, selling digital goods, and blogging. Investing in real estate is the finest and most effective strategy to generate passive income. While they may seem like a simple way to make money, passive income occupations can involve a lot of work and capital, especially in the beginning. However, if you push through with it, you'll be in a better position than most people who rely solely on their full-time employment if you can figure out a means to generate passive money. Once you've mastered everything in this video, you can go on to think about the path that wealthy people take to increase their money. Even if you have an excellent job and a good income, it doesn't matter. Strive for more. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to improve your finances. Until next time, take care.